Hello my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how we can reset Oppo A1K CPH1923 without online flash, without Oppo access and without loss any data of this phone. So first of all we need a JTAG box, EMMC box like Z3X, JTAG Plus or UFI JTAG Plus. We working now UFI JTAG. So first of all need ISP connection, only 4 lines CMD, CLK, data 0 and GND. You can see here CPU and flasher, middle the CMD point, then CLK and data 0 under flasher, under flasher side of the flasher side data 0 and CLK point, and you can connect GND any position of motherboard. So first of all need to connecting good jumpering this 4 line. I am connecting, you can see. So now connect this, it's UFI, and very important thing, CMD line opening, removing glue, it's very difficult. So if we try our best try, so it's easily. You need this type ironing solder. Look at, and smoothly slowly open this glue, then clean it, petrol, octane or any board cleaner, motherboard cleaner, then jumpering it. We connecting PCB USB socket, and it's display ribbon and connect to box. Then we need to opening UFI EMMC toolbox here. And click direct EMMC ISP. It's a very good connection in CLK, CMD, GND, VCC. Some motherboard need VCC key or VCC, or some motherboard need it's done on the USB cable. So we need connecting a USB cable. MTK port is appeared. I'm showing you. Here you can see MediaTek USB port COM27 is appeared. Now click identify EMMC. Inshallah, our phone is connecting. It's missing. We're detecting again. So brother, need again click identify EMMC. Yes, done. Now you can show platform is MT6765 CPU and brand is Oppo CPH1923 Oppo A1K. Now need to read backup, dump first. Any phone you working, you must be need to dump backup dump file and backup. User area only on 28 MB. You can select any type, click read. Its read is processing, dump reading is processing. Again connect, click identify EMMC. Dump is reading. If you face any error, so please connect this battery connector. It's here, battery connector. Then again click read. After dump is reading completed, click again identify EMMC. Then go user part, click special tags and click Oppo master clear OIP data and app data. It's done. Again click special tags, clear FRP log. If you need any backup this phone partition, so you can select here. It's phone IME baseband section. Yellow mark, then click read. First speed for click 48 mAh, then click read. While selecting partition is reading. After reading is completed, need to checking lock have or not. Click identify EMMC, then here you can see lock status is not locked. Now friend, close your EMMC toolbox, then disconnect it and remove all wire jumper. Now clean PCB. Brother, phone is now opening. We need waiting like 5 to 7 minutes for full opening this phone. I am pushing this video because I don't need to waste your time. And please, if you are a new subscriber, new viewer of my YouTube channel, so please subscribe this YouTube channel and like this video, share this video and comments what you need. Stay with us. So wait please. Now phone is opening. We need to set up, select language, What's your country? My country is Bangladesh, so I am selecting Bangladesh. Then click continue. Click continue. Click escape. Click continue. I don't need to now select password lock, so I click escape. Yes, this done. Here you can see it's CPH1923 8.29 latest version, Android security patch level April 5, 2020. So friends, if you like this video, so please subscribe these YouTube channels and click bell icon buttons, and so bye bye.